Hi guys, welcome back. Today, just going to try and pop the windscreen out of the bus. All I've done so far, I'll flip you around, is just put a bit of tape on, just to stop it popping out if I get a bit carried away. Done a few windscreens like this. I'm sure people will go, don't do it like this, don't do that, but it works for me. Basically, all I'm going to use is a couple of screwdrivers to start me off. Don't want sharp edge screwdrivers, just quite blunt ones, and work from there. And I'll show you how I do it anyway. This screen has been out because, as you can see, it's only been temporarily fitted just to get here because the roof is taped on. Let's see how we get on. Right, so hopefully the camera won't fall out when I get this. Yes. So it's better with two hands, but let's try. See, I'm just pushing that front edge in behind the lip, and going along using the blunt screwdriver. I can't do it one-handed. I'm sorry, I'm going to have to put you guys down. I cannot do this one-handed. I wonder if I can jam you somewhere to see. Let's try that. Can you see what I'm doing there? Just popping it in. Give it a little look. Or leave it. Don't rush anything. Don't push anything too hard. And if you've got a good windscreen without any chips or cracks, it should be okay. I'll just go around the corner a little bit. This will be fun because I've had to cut this on the outside. The actual metal work, so we'll see how it goes. Like I say, the experts do it. They just put their feet up, push the whole thing out, but I'm not brave enough for that. So you can see how it's just popping in. Let's see if I can get it. You see what I've done now? Just gone round, gently pushing it back in. So just continue around like that. The more you do, just give it a little shoveler. See it pop in behind? Just pops in. The more we do, the easier it gets. Obviously, you had the all the headline has been removed previously, and mirrors and sun visors and stuff. I won't put you through watching it all. I'll just go round the top, start going down the edges, and then I'll be able to just push the top a little way, and then we'll go down the edge. Right, just along the middle there. Just the same process I was doing. One thing I didn't say is when you've put, it's hard to do with just one hand, when you're pushing it in, you don't have to push the glass hard, you can actually push the rubber up just to stop it popping back out. And try not to smash the glass with your screwdriver. But really do need a blunt flat screwdriver for this. So I'll carry on around. When I get down to there, I'll show you next step. Well, I've just got down below the handles here, on both sides. All it is the lip is just tucked in behind. So all I need to do now is just give it a little shove at the top to relieve a little bit of pressure here, and carry on down to the corner. Don't know if you heard that. Just starting to move. Doesn't need much. And I'll just relieve it enough for me to carry on down there. Again, all I'm doing, if you can see, if I get close up, just grabbing that lip with this screwdriver, nice and blunt, just pushing it in behind. Just bit by bit, slowly, catchy monkey, every so often. Push it in, it won't come out again. Don't have to heave on the screen or anything like that. Just gently do it. I can't reiterate though, you do need a nice blunt screwdriver. Or maybe a plastic trim tool. Might do it, I don't know. Right, now all I've done is done exactly the same down to that bottom corner. See that there? Popped it in behind. Just done it all the way around. I'm probably in this being light now. Move this over just to show you. There you go. And just down to the bottom there. The bottom corner's not too bad. Don't know if I said before, I've put some tape on the outside. Just a bit loose on the top, so I have a bit of movement. And a bit at the bottom. I've left the wipers on, I can pop them out in a minute. Just to stop it flying out. So all I'm going to do is just give it a little push. Don't have to force anything. There she goes, you can hear it. See it? That's nice and wobbly. That's actually the tape stopping it now. Okay, I'll go on the outside and lift it out. Right guys, hope you can see it okay. I've got to get myself a tripod a bit slanty. I'm resting on a box of matches and some bits and bobs at the moment. So all I'm going to do is take it off, make sure you've got somewhere to put it, just lift it away. Off. Taking off some of the paint, but I'm not particularly worried about that. You might want to help with this or not, depending how you feel, but just gently, up she goes. I'll lift it up over the ridge. And I'll put it down over here. Right. There it is, just sat down. You can see why I need to take it out in the first place. Seen a lot worse. See seen a lot better. So I've got a front panel to put in this, and I've got some body cuts from other vans, and you can see that's where I temporarily taped that on just to move house. And just if you want to have a look at the sort of how it's made up, the rubber seal, that's the outside here, goes onto the bodywork. This bit does the sealing actually within the aperture, and that is what holds it in. So all I was doing was pushing that bit in behind the bodywork, so the bodywork was where my finger was now, on my thumb, and then it'll pop out. So that's that little job done. Screen out in one piece.